Hello, welcome to our new video. Dobrodošli. Today we are talking about 3 must-known phrases in Serbian language. Stay till the end because the third one will be really advanced. And if you enjoyed, press the notification bell for more videos like this. Let's see. The first one is gde si, šta ima, or if you want to sound more native-like, you would add brate, like where are you bro, what's up. This is really important phrase and you should be aware of it, especially if you are visiting your friends and family in Serbia. So, how do we use this phrase? We do use this phrase when we are talking with our friends or acquaintances. The thing is that you won't use it when you are talking with your boss or your in-laws, unless your in-laws are really like friendly people. And this is really like basic phrase. When you start learning Serbian, you should know this phrase. Additional tip: men normally would do something like this and they would be like gde si brate, šta ima, like where are you bro, what's up. And we don't really expect the answer to this question, but the idea is that like we can say something like evo ništa, like nothing special. And if you want to continue conversation, we will say a kod tebe, like what's up with you, a kod tebe, like in your life. The second phrase has something to do with the most important drink in Balkans, and no, it's not rakia, it's kafa. And if we say hoćeš na kafu, like do you want to have a coffee, to grab a coffee, we will call someone to go out with us and to drink coffee in our favorite coffee place. Especially now in spring, it's really popular. The idea is that it's not only about coffee. It is more like a call for hanging out, for spending time together. So, if I ask you hoćeš na kafu, or bonus phrase idemo na kafu, it would mean that I'm calling you to spend time together. And it's not really necessary for us to drink coffee. We can drink beer, we can drink rakia, we can drink wine, or whatever you like. You can drink like lemonade, it doesn't matter. The idea is just that like if you call someone to go outside and say idemo na kafu, it is like the call for spending time together. Or on the other hand, you can say hoćeš na kafu kod mene, so do you want to come and grab a coffee at my place? And while you are cooking or preparing, now it's like preparing coffee, let's be honest, especially like turska kafa or domaća kafa, Turkish or domaća kafa, you chit chat with your friends, you just like gossip, and the whole idea of that preparation and then drinking it is really important cultural aspect of Serbian people. And the third phrase, the most advanced one, like not a lot of people are using that, but you can hear it from time to time. It's only one word that will change the whole phrase. Kako se ti beše zoveš? What is your name? Could you remind me again? So in that beše, we have the whole idea of could you remind me again? If you forget something, for example, you're calling your friend to grab a coffee, but you know, like hoćeš na kafu, but you know that they will have some kind of like business meeting during that week, you can be like hoćeš na kafu kada ti beše imaš sastanak. So when exactly could you remind me is your meeting, because I want to grab a coffee with you to spend time with you. I hope that like the last one was clear, and I hope that you are familiar with the first two, because those are really important. If you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments below. And the second thing, if you know additional phrases that you want to cover, we will cover it for you. You can write in the comments and I will be glad to do that for you. Also, you can press the like button and vidimo se u sljedećem videu. Ćao!